Welcome to FikaAI. We are here today at DevNexus, and my guest is Abel. Abel, hi.
Abel, yeah.
Abel, how are you doing?
Doing good. Enjoying the conference. It's the first day. I was here yesterday for the Java User Group Summit.
Cool.
And yeah, just having a good time.
So is this your first time, or are you?
No, I have been here multiple times. I wasn't here the last 2 years, but
Okay.
this year I was able to come back. And yeah, I like this conference. It's one of the community conference that are more friendly, at least from my point of view. And you have great quality speakers, and the event in general, the organizers are pretty cool. So
Cool.
it's awesome.
And so you also have a session, right?
Yeah,
So,
I do.
So what are you talking about
I
today?
will be talking about how to optimize cold starts for Java functions using AWS Lambda.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what are you getting into? Like, why is that a topic that should be interesting to developers today?
Yeah, well, technology in general, cloud technology is trending more towards adopting serverless services. Java traditionally has longer startup times. So AWS Lambda is a serverless service, which functions as a service. And then you normally have challenges when using Java because it takes a long time to start a function, which shouldn't be the case. Other languages that don't have those issues, such as Node.js or Python, those are quicker to start. So AWS released this capability, AWS Lambda Snapstart, to support Java developers and be able to run Java functions on AWS Lambda.
Cool. So
Yeah.
then they don't have to spin out a server and doing all those back-end stuff. They can just code, right?
Exactly, yeah. They
Cool.
only have to worry about getting their code ready,
Yep.
and AWS will run it for them.
Cool.
So, yeah.
And so it's this stream is also like all about AI, right?
Yes.
That's the hype.
Yeah,
The current
definitely.
hype. And so tell me a little bit like how are you using, or how do you see AI being used with developers? Like,
Yeah, I see developers using AI for different things, especially when they are trying to bootstrap something, create something from scratch, and have something ready really quickly, so that they can start customizing things. I think there are a lot of applications, especially when developers are working on creating unit tests. I think we have seen multiple scenarios where Gen AI is effective creating unit tests for existing applications. And yeah, I think it's very important for developers to start learning or expanding their knowledge in that area. I recently took a prompt engineering training, and I think it's very important for everyone in the tech industry to be ready to talk about those things and use those things, get the benefits that they bring. So yeah, it's very interesting, and I know we will continue to see changes in the tech space as Gen AI continues evolving.
so do you see a lot of people like using it otherwise like for coding as well, or
Yeah.
or is that really useful? What was your impression?
Yeah. For developers, it's especially important. They like I said, it could be a way to increase productivity for developers.
Okay.
But also, I think it's already impacting all the different spaces in organizations, right? Like business, marketing, sales.
Sure.
Gen AI
Sure.
is applicable for all those areas. But yeah, developers get a lot of benefits, like I said, to increase developer productivity.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.